guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will make some with a glue or bars or any kind of detergent. So you just need some soap. But I don't actually know if it works, but I have seen a lot of videos of this on this. So let's check soap. We are trying, so I will add some low amount to see, and now we need to mix this all. So this is one ingredient slime. So everyone has soap in their home. So just keep on mixing. If you want to add soap, you can add it, but this is one ingredient one, so please don't add soap. I mean, please don't add salt, not soap. You need soap for this. Okay guys, this is one, so I'll add some more. So let's go. It's not opening. Let me get that out. Just make sure your soap was jiggly because mine was elastically. Now just keep on mixing and add in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. And wait for 5 minutes and we will be done. So still it becomes slime in the freezer. We will wait a second. So for this, just need this soap. So I have I don't know if you want. I only want low amount, so I don't need much. And now we will mix this all in. If you want to add salt, you can add, but this one ingredient slime recipe, so you should not add. Keep on mixing it till it becomes thicker, and thicker. Keep on mixing and mixing again. So guys, now it's time you need to put this in the freezer for 15 minutes. So it's kind of sticky right now. So if you will put this in the freezer, it will turn much better. So that's what type that actually. So sometimes dirty. So to the refrigerator will make the third recipe. So guys, for this you need just a plate on the floor, and you need some powder, food coloring, add some into the plate, and flag. And timer and other things need, and then you have to mix it up with some soap and soap, so it will turn into sand by refrigerating it. Let me add some like this, so that's the way. Okay, you need to add like a drop of soap, and now you mix that all together. When you mix it all, you need to put this in the refrigerator also. So on this recipe. So let me see if this turns out this slime. Oh, it's kind of jiggly slime. My hands have food coloring, that's why it's turning yellow. It's very jiggly, guys. Guys, this slime was a success, but it's very jiggly one. I don't like jiggly slime at all, but it's kind of good. But this is really small amount, so if you want big amount, you can make with me. You can add some more soap, but I just want to try it, and it worked out so well that it's actually turned into slime. It's very jiggly. You can't hear the poke sound. See that? It's very jiggly. So let's see our other slime. But it's not been fully 15 minutes for our second slime. So that's why you need to wait for a late time. And yeah, so let me clean it. Yep, ready. So as it's been 15 minutes, let me get it out from my freezer. Here's the slime. Whoa. It kind of looks like bear slime to me. It's very sticky right now. So just mix this. Oh, this one was a slime, but it's very sticky. So this is a fail. You should not try this one, because this one is a waste. So let's move on to the other slime right now. Guys, it's time for our third slime. So let's get it out of the freezer. So right now it's like this. Let me use this piece for this. Oh. Nope, it didn't turn. You just curl your finger. So this is not a good slime for you to make. So this one is a trash slime. So the slime that turned out well was the soap one. So make sure you try the soap. Bye.